Hello guys, WP Township. Today I will wholesale price in your e-commerce store in WordPress. So before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress templates on different theme developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future update. So now let me tell you what we need to do. So first of all, in the shop page, if you will go to any of the product page, okay, let me open the product page from here only. If I will open any of the product page, if I want to have a wholesale customer and if I want to sell these prices, sell these products on a wholesale rate, then how I can display over there. So let me show it to you. First let me open a product page in a new tab. So here if you will notice, we are getting a single price over here. So if I want to display a wholesale rate, how I can do that? So let's start doing this. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard and we want to install a plugin over here. For that, to install a plugin, hover over this plugin and then click on this add new, and once you will click on this add new button, it will take you to this install plugin section where we can search plugin name. So here I just want to search for WooCommerce Wholesale. Whenever you will search for WooCommerce Wholesale, you are going to get a list of plugins under it, and let's wait. So here you can see I am now getting a list of plugins under this WooCommerce Wholesale. This is the plugin that we want to use. Its name is Wholesale Suite WooCommerce Wholesale Price and B2B plugin. So just click on this install now and let's wait till this installation completed. Once this installation will complete, then we can activate this plugin. So let's wait till this installation completed. And if you will notice over here, we have couple of other plugins also, like Booster, WooCommerce Wholesale, and any other plugins also related to wholesale, but we are going with this WooCommerce Wholesale Suite, which is the WooCommerce Wholesale Price and B2B plugin. So let's activate this plugin. Once you will activate this plugin, on the left sidebar only you can see a wholesale option is there. You can directly go to the, by clicking on this wholesale, it will take you to the dashboard of the wholesale. Once you will be here in the wholesale dashboard, here you can see that you are using wholesale price by wholesale suite, and this is the free version where you can also get a track of what is the wholesale orders and what is the revenue for your wholesales. Now after that, here let's start with the setting of it. And here in this setting, once you will go to this setting, I will show it to you what are the settings you have to do over here. So here you can see, first of all, this is the allow usage tracking, and if you want to disable coupons for your wholesale user, you can easily able to do it and click on save changes. So this is allow usage tracking. This means it will allow you to track the uses of data for you. You can enable this by allowing this. You can allow the usage tracking, and then here it comes for in the general tab. Now let's go to the product tab. Basically this is in the settings tab only. We have this wholesale price section, WooCommerce settings. So here only we can do this wholesale. In the price tab, we can set whatever pricing, like wholesale text price. So how you want to display it. So what I mean by how you want to display, if you will see here, we are getting only a single price. So if it will show like what text you want to show, like wholesale price, so you can give it like it will display over here as a wholesale price. Then hide retail price instead of showing a crossed out price if a wholesale price is present. If you want to hide, or always use regular price, or now variable product price display. So price range or minimum price or maximum price, these are for premium. So you can go with the price range, then hide wholesale price on admin product listing, or if you want to hide, like hide price and add to cart button, you can do all these changes. But here for your display purpose, I am not doing any changes to this pricing tab. Then it comes for the tax. So we cannot do any changes with the tax because do not apply. This will take pricing. As you can see, whenever I am check mark this like do not apply tax to wholesale retailers, it is always I am getting this pricing option. Then here display price in the shop page, use WooCommerce default. So you can use all this. Now let me show you again what are the settings available here in this WooCommerce wholesale orders. So let's go to this wholesale orders and let's see what we are getting over there. Now here in this wholesale orders, you will get how many number of orders you got in your wholesale. Then here in this wholesale order you will find this roles also. This is the most important setting, and here in this role you can see over here, like this is the default role which is provides wholesale customer, those who can purchase this wholesale price. And if you want, you can also create a default role from here, but it will you cannot use it because it will require you to have a premium version of it. And if I will go to this settings, and let me go to this settings over here, and if I will open here membership, let me go to this general setting, and here in this general setting only I just want to show it to you one thing. If you will see, we have one default role as wholesale customer, so you can create a sign up and login page for your wholesale customer separately, and they can become a wholesale customer by login into that or sign up into that. After that, here we have done. Now let's go to any of the product page and let's add a wholesale price to it. So here now in the product page I just want to open this product, short sleeved hoodie, and let me view this product also in a new tab. And whenever I will open this in a new tab, as you can see, this is how it's opened in a new tab. And here I just want to add a wholesale price. So how I can do that? Here in this product data you will see one wholesale price is coming, and you can give it $150 of wholesale price and just update it. Once you will give a wholesale price and update, now whenever you will refresh this page, you are going to get a wholesale price over here. Let's it get refreshed, and let me show it to you where it is displaying. So currently it is not displaying because I am not a wholesale user over here. That's why it is not displaying over here. Add additional wholesale price label, that is also not possible here. Now as you can see, like I am not getting it because I am not a wholesale customer. In the user section, if you will see, I have opened one wholesale user account. Now what I will do, let me open this page in a private window, and I'm going to open it in a incognito mode, and there in incognito mode I am going to show it to you how. So in my account, let me log in using the wholesale user. So here I have my username and all, wholesale user, and let me give it my password, and I will click on login. Once you will click on this login option, as you can see, this is my page. Let's go to the shop page, and here as you have remembered, like we have done for this, here it is clearly displaying as a wholesale price $150. In this way you can create a wholesale price section for your WordPress site. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. If you really like this video, don't forget to like.